Hello everyone. Have you ever noticed how effortlessly children pick up new languages? They don't study grammar, rules, or vocabulary lists. They simply absorb the language from their environment. Imagine if you could do the same with English. Today, we're going to explore how you can create an immersive English environment to enhance your learning and make English a natural part of your life. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand the benefits of an immersive language environment, learn practical strategies to create an English-rich environment at home, gain tips on integrating English into your daily routine seamlessly. Let's start with why immersion is so powerful. An immersive environment replicates the natural language learning process, providing constant exposure to the language. This continuous integration helps you think, write, speak, and understand English more intuitively, just like native speakers. One of the easiest ways to immerse yourself is through English media. Watch English movies, TV shows, and YouTube channels. Listen to English podcasts and music. Read English books, articles, and blogs. If you are a fan of a particular genre, like mystery novels or sci-fi movies, start consuming content in English within that genre. This way, you're engaging with material you already enjoy, making the learning process more enjoyable and less of a chore. Set your phone, computer, and other devices to English. The small change ensures that you encounter English words and phrases throughout your day, reinforcing your learning passively. Think of it like living in an English-speaking country. Everywhere you look, from road signs to menus, everything is in English. Changing your device settings create a similar effect, constantly exposing you to the language. Engage with English-speaking communities, both online and offline. Join forums, social media groups, or local clubs where English is the primary language. James joined an online gaming community where everyone communicated in English. Over time, his vocabulary and conversational skills improved significantly, all while playing games and having fun. Whenever possible, practice speaking with native English speakers. This can be through language exchange programs, travel, or even using language exchange apps. Apps like Tandem and HelloTalk connect you with native speakers who want to learn your language. It's a win-win situation. You help them and they help you, all while practicing real-life conversations. Incorporate English into your daily routine. Dedicate specific times for reading, writing, listening, and speaking in English. Now, here are some tips for you. For your morning routine, start your day by reading an English news article or listen to an English podcast. Commute. If you commute to work or school, use that time to listen to English audiobooks or practice speaking. And for your evening routine, before bed, write a short journal entry in English about your day. Now, here's an assignment for you. Create a daily English challenge jar. Write down different English activities on slips of paper. For example, describe your day in English. Listen to an English podcast. Write a story in English. Draw one each day and complete the challenge. For further reading, I recommend The Bilingual Edge by Kendall King and Allison. It offers great insight into language immersion and practical tips for language learners. Creating an immersive English environment doesn't require a plane ticket or a move to another country. With these strategies, you can surround yourself with English in your everyday life, accelerating your fluency and making the learning process enjoyable. The more you expose yourself to English, the more natural it will become. Thank you for your attention today. Let's open the floor to any questions or thoughts you might have.